you know, a lot of tools, data science tools, pandas, scikit-learn, pytorch. So even if you have the hard skills, you need something else, like to differentiate yourself. Having Python, pandas, scikit-learn, these are like the minimum requirement. Maybe they're looking for someone to build a dashboard in the growth team, right? They want to go from 5,000 customers to 5 million customers. So you're focusing on product analytics or growth analytics. So what I'm saying here is that, well, you might want to ask me, well, I don't work as a growth analytics professional. So my suggestion here is that whatever data source you work with, whatever Kaggle projects you work with, it needs to be tied to a specific business problem. So for example, a lot of people put machine learning, but is your machine learning experience in insurance or in supply chain? Because if you're applying for a machine learning job or data scientist job in supply chain, and you know they have demand forecasting problems, you know they have time series problems, and you have to put those experience on your resume, right? Or if it's a company that startups that mention building chatbot, then if you don't have large language model experience, it will be hard to get this type of jobs, right? So understanding business use cases and also build your portfolio project around a business problem is very important. Okay, so that would be my recommendation.